Hi dear students, in this class we are going to find the value of tan inverse of tan phi. Already we have solved that in the last class, tan inverse of 1 to 4. So now the phi radian is nearly equal to 285 degree and it is less than 360 degree. Then you can denote it as a phi radian 2 pi minus theta. If you are denoted it as a 2 phi minus theta for phi radian, then the tan inverse of tan x is equal to x when the value of that x is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But here the phi radian is not in between minus pi by 2 pi by 2. You have to make it is in between the pi by 2 to pi by 2. So let's consider that phi radian value tan inverse of tan phi, then tan inverse of tan 2 pi minus theta, and now we have to find the tan 2 pi minus theta value. So it belongs to 2 pi is here minus theta, it means belongs to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant it is negative and 2 pi is there, no change. Then you have to use that tan pi minus theta, 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Then tan inverse of minus tan theta, this is our answer. And tan inverse of minus dabba formula, that is minus tan inverse dabba. Now the dabba value is tan theta and minus tan inverse of tan theta. Now the tan theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 theta. Now what is the value of theta? Here 5 radian is equal to 2 pi minus theta, then theta equal to 2 pi minus 5, then theta is equal to 2 pi minus 5 with negative, then 5 minus 2 pi. Hence the answer of tan inverse of tan 2 pi is equal to, sorry, tan 5 radian is equal to 5 minus 2 pi. This is 5 radian. Clear? Thank you.